Pressure walks the streets at night, fires burning, city lights flicker like a soul churning, heartbeats like a drum, no rest, no learning. Rub against. What's good, kiddies? Extra here. This is a new video. It took fucking ages to. It's been delayed so fucking long, right? But it's finally out now. It's actually quite good for once, and yeah, that's it. If you're wondering where I've been, you'll see in a few seconds, and hope you enjoy.
Yo, this motherfucker ain't gonna die. Come on. Shit, fuck you. Oh. Yo, I'm gonna hubby, double hubby. But fucking prick. This guy's a little twazzer was a cunt. This guy's a prick. Fucking cigar. This is cunt think he is. I'm gonna fucking oyster. Fucking doing that dick. I'm smelling that. No prick. No fucking needs to fucking die. Die. Fucking prick.
We've got supplies incoming.
He's popping a fucking. Oh, what? You wanna be friends now? Alright, okay, we can be friends now. Let's go. Come on. Yo, this guy's getting cooked. What the hell? Yo, what's going on? Yo, this is sick. What the hell? Yo, that's crazy. What, so just like that? What? Just like that? That's way too easy, dog. That cannot be what happened to that guy. Yo, he got cooked. He left his fucking mask behind. Oh, back to fighting? Sounds about right. Back. Yo, homie. Free iPad.
Free iPad?
Fucking crackhead. It works every fucking time. Right, yo, is this the end? Oh shit, yeah it is. I mean, that looks like an end to me. Where... So we just walk? We've got no rush, it's a nice stroll. We could have used the light, we could have seen... What the fucking isn't you see a fucking anglerfish? That blue light's an anglerfish, right? And that thing approaching in the distance, that's definitely an anglerfish. Yeah, I should probably... Oh, what the shit on there? Fuck. Seems like a great place to jump. Yeah, fuck it. Oh. Alright, what's this? That fella looks alright. Yo, is this guy okay? Hey, prick! Bro, this guy's fake. Fuck off, you prick. Oh. Those don't look friendly. Oh, no one of these. Shit. Fucking shit. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. This guy looks friendly. I want to talk to him. Oh, shit. Yo, that's jackpot. Whoa. It's a fucking suitcase. I'll take it. Give me a suitcase. My flat. What does that mean? Bro, why can't I move? Oh, it was that. Right, spare flashlight, you and the new flashlight. Flash. This is crazy, can't lie. Från måndag stod en del I morgondagen står och Siemaga, dalej, mogę inżyniera. Fucking prick. Oh, what the fuck? Bro, I did not get a chance to run. What the Sigma? Why is it not? It's not even. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what's that fucking noise? Ha ha. Oh, fuck's sake. Little prick. Oh, it's the light. Oh, the light attracts it. Oh, I'm a fucking rape. Oh shit, yo, listen, I don't want this one. Yo, is he stuck? Right, fellas, we did a bit of grinding. A slight little bit of grinding. We have $50 million now, so we can finally get revenge on those pricks.